I'm thinking of wearing my blue jacket today. It's a bit chilly outside.
Really? I think the red one suits you better.
You're right, the red one does feel warmer.
Which jacket does Jack decide to wear?
Let's meet at the cafe by the park this afternoon.
Okay, but can we go to the one near the library instead? It's quieter.
Sure. That sounds better.
Where will Sophia and Ethan meet?
I'm thinking of getting a sandwich for lunch.
I'm craving something warm. How about pizza?
Pizza does sound good. Let's do that.
What will Oliver and Isabella eat for lunch?
The museum exhibition is really interesting, but it's quite far.
What about the art gallery? It's closer and the entry is free.
That's a good idea. Let's go to the gallery.
Where will Ava and Noah go?
I need to pick up some milk. Should I get the big carton or the small one?
We're almost out, so the big one might last longer.
All right, I'll grab the big carton.
Which size of milk will Mia buy?
We could either watch a movie at home or go to the cinema.
Watching at home sounds cozy, but the cinema has a new release.
Let's go to the cinema then.
Where will Lucas and Amelia watch the movie?
Do you want to walk by the beach or through the park?
The park sounds nice and peaceful today.
All right, the park it is.
Where will Charlotte and Henry go for a walk?
I could either take the bus or cycle to work today.
Cycling is faster and the weather looks great.
Good point. I'll cycle.
How will Lily get to work?
Should we cook pasta or try making a salad for dinner?
I'm in the mood for something light. Let's go with salad.
Okay, salad it is.
What will William and Ella make for dinner?
I have a choice between going to the gym or jogging in the park.
The park sounds more refreshing today.
I agree. I'll jog in the park.
Where will Sophie exercise?
Should we take a taxi or the train to the airport?
The train will be quicker at this time of day.
Good idea. Let's take the train.
How will Harper and Alexander get to the airport?
Do you want to visit the mountains or the city this weekend?
The city might be fun, but I feel like we need some fresh air in the mountains.
The mountains it is then.
Where will Emily and Benjamin go this weekend?
We could either bake cookies or a cake for the party.
Cookies might be easier to share with everyone.
Let's make cookies then.
What will Logan and Grace bake for the party?
Shall we go to the bookstore or the cafe after lunch?
I'd love to check out some new books.
All right, bookstore it is.
Where will Victoria and Sebastian go after lunch?
Do you want to go swimming in the pool or the lake?
The lake sounds more fun today.
Let's head to the lake then.
Where will Zoe and Daniel go swimming?
The garden is looking a bit empty. Should we buy flowers or maybe a plant to fill the space?
Well, flowers are pretty, but a plant would last much longer and keep growing.
That's a good point. A plant will definitely add more life over time.
Plus, we won't need to replace it so often like we would with flowers.
You're right. Let's go with the plant then.
What will Levi and Nora buy for the garden?
I'm really excited about our day out. Should we visit the zoo or the aquarium today?
Well, I've heard the aquarium has some really cool exhibits with fish and other sea creatures.
That sounds pretty exciting. I do love watching the fish swim around.
Yeah, it's so relaxing. Plus, it's indoors, so we don't have to worry about the weather.
Great point. Let's head to the aquarium then.
Where will Evelyn and Owen visit?
I'm trying to decide which shoes to wear today. Should I go with the black ones or the white ones?
The black shoes would go better with the rest of your outfit. They're more stylish for what you're wearing.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. The white ones are more casual, but I want to look a bit sharper today.
Exactly. The black ones will definitely complete the look.
Good idea. I'll go with the black ones.
Which shoes will Matthew wear?
We've got to choose our activity for the trip. Should we go skiing or snowboarding?
I've tried skiing before, but snowboarding sounds like it would be more fun and adventurous.
I've heard snowboarding can be a bit challenging, but I'm up for trying something new.
Exactly. It's exciting to learn new things, and I think we'll have a blast.
All right, let's go snowboarding then.
Which activity will Chloe and Gabriel do?
I've been thinking about the room makeover. Should we paint the walls blue or go with green?
I like the blue. It has a calming vibe and will make the room feel more peaceful.
That's true. Blue always gives a nice, serene feeling. Green might be too bright for what we want.
Exactly. The blue will fit perfectly with the furniture we have too.
All right, blue it is. Let's get started with painting.
What color will Hannah and Caleb paint the room?